everyone, this is Anshika and a very welcome to all of you to my channel Learn with Anshika Singh. So today we are going to continue with chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals for class 7th ICSE Amil Agarwal book of maths, and now we are going to start today exercise 2.2. Okay, so our first question is evaluate the following. So the first part is 4/3 plus 7/8. So firstly let me tell you, these are the two unlike fractions. So firstly we need to change it in like fractions, and after that we'll change, and after that we'll get the answer by doing all the methods. So firstly you need to take out the firstly you need to change it in a like fraction. For that you all know what to do. We need to take out the LCM. Okay, so let's take it out. That is, firstly we'll divide by 2. That will be 3 and 4. Then again by 2. Then again by 2. And then by 3. So when you multiply all this, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24, and now we know what to do. We will divide 24 by 3, that is 8, and 8 into 4 is 32, plus 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 3 into 7 is 21. Then when you add this, when you add both these numbers, you will get 53/24. Now let me tell you what will happen over here. As our answer is in improper fraction, we need to change it in mixed fraction. That will be 2 as the whole, 2 and 24 as the denominator. You need to remember this very nicely, and then the remainder will be 5. Okay, and this is our answer. The next part for question 1 is 8/1/2 minus 3/5/8. So firstly we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 8 into 2 is 16 plus 1 17. So it will be 17/2 minus 3 into 8 is 24 plus 5, that is 29/8. So 29/8. Now we have to find the LCM for making them like fractions, that is of 2 and 8. So we will take out the LCM over here. 2 and 8, 1 and 4, and again by 2, 1, 2, 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Now 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 17 into 4 is 68. Then put the minus sign, and then 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 1 into 9 is 29. So now when we minus 29 from 68, we get 39/8. Okay, so this is an improper fraction. So because of this only we can't leave our answer like this. So we need to change it in mixed fraction. So the answer will be 4. Then in the denominator there will be 8, and the remainder is 87. 4 as the whole, 87/8 is our answer. So now the next part is 5/12 plus 1 upon 18 minus 2 upon 9. So I have taken out the LCM of all these three denominators and the answer is coming 36, as you can see. Now we need to divide 36 by 12, that is 3, and 3 into 5 is 15. Then we will put the addition sign, and after that 36 divided by 18 is 2, and 2 into 1 is obviously 2. Plus, minus, the sign of minus is there. Now after that 36 divided by 9 is 4. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8. Now firstly, according to the BODMAS rule, firstly we will add these both numbers and then after that we will subtract it. Okay, let's see. 15 plus 2 is 17 and then minus 8 upon 36. So the answer will come 9 upon 36. Now this answer can be reduced, that is 1 upon 4. You can write it as 1 upon 4 and this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Now our question 2 first part is means in this question you need to simplify the given parts. So the first part is 7 as the whole 3 upon 4 minus 3 as the whole 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8. So two mixed fractions are given, so you need to change it in improper fractions and the answer will come. For the first one it's 31 upon 4. Then you will put the minus sign. Then 6 into 3 is 18 and 18 plus 5 is 23 upon 6. Plus 7 upon 8. Now we have to take out the LCM of these three, 4, 6 and 8. So the LCM of these three denominators is 24. So we will write 24 as the denominator. And then 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 6 into 31 is 186. Then we will put the minus sign. Then 24 divided by 6 is 4 and 4 into 23 is 92 plus 24 into 8, 24 divided by 8 is 3 and 3 into 7 is 21. Now what you have to do according to the BODMAS rule, you need to firstly add these two numbers, as this is the positive number and this is also the positive number. So you will add these both, okay, and the answer will come 207 minus 92 upon 24. And after that, when you minus 207 from 92, you will get 115 upon 24. 24. And now as our answer is an improper fraction, we need to change it in mixed fraction, and the answer is, after changing it in mixed fraction, it is 419 upon 24. Okay, so this is our answer. Let's move to the next part. Before that, solving this question, I want to tell you that I forgot to tell you all to subscribe my channel if you are new to it, and if you have already subscribed, then on the bell icon if it's not on, and if this video is helpful to you or it's helping you, So please do like, comment and share this video. So now let's move to the second part of question 2. Now we have to change all these mixed fraction into our improper fraction. So let's change it. So the answer for the first one is 49/8 minus, for the second one 12 into 2 is 24 and then plus 1 is 25, so it's 25/12 minus 10 into 5 is 50 and then 51/10. Plus, after that our answer is 82/25. This question must be long. Now the LCM for all these is 600. You can calculate by yourself, as you all know how to calculate it. So 600 divided by 8 is 75 and 75 into 49 is 3675. Minus 600 divided by 12 is 150, 50, and it's 50. 600 divided by 12 is 50 and 50 into 25 is 1250 minus 600 divided by 10 is 60 and 60 into 51 is 3060 plus 600 divided by 25 is 24 and 24 into 82 is 1968. Now over here 1 plus sign is given and this is the positive number. So you need to add these two numbers and the answer will come 5643. And then you will put the minus sign upon 600. Now what to do is you have to add these both numbers and your answer will come 4310. And now I will solve over here, but you can continue from downwards. Okay, so now our answer will come 1333 after subtracting this. 1333 upon 600. And as our answer is in improper fraction, so we need to change it in mixed fraction, that is 2133 upon 600, and it's our answer. So I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, you keep watching my previous videos, that is part 1 and part 2 for 2.1 of this chapter, and many other chapters I have taught for class 7th and 6th. All of you can watch it, and make sure to subscribe my channel, on the bell icon, comment, like and share the video. Bye bye everyone.